Hello students, welcome to SOURAV's classes. Today we are going to solve a few questions on real analysis. The question is, let f be a twice differentiable function on R. Given f double dash x greater than 0 for all x belonging to R. Option A, fx is equal to 0 has exactly two solutions on R. Option B, fx is equal to 0 has a positive solution if f0 is equal to 0 and f dash 0 is equal to 0. Option C, fx is equal to 0 has no positive solution if f0 is equal to 0 and f dash 0 greater than 0. And option D, fx is equal to 0 has no positive solution if f0 is equal to 0 and f dash 0 less than equal to 0. Now for option A, take fx is equal to x squared. Then f dash x is equal to 2x and f double dash x is equal to 2, which is greater than 0. But only one solution of x is there, that is x is equal to 0. Thus, option A is incorrect. Now, for option B, that is fx is equal to 0 has a positive solution if f0 is equal to 0 and f dash 0 is equal to 0. For this again take fx is equal to x square. So we get f double dash x is equal to 2 greater than 0. Now for this f0 is equal to 0 and f dash 0 is equal to 0. But f has no positive solution since x is equal to 0 is the only positive solution. So option B is incorrect. Now option C, suppose fx to be x squared plus 2x. Then f dash x is equal to 2x plus 2 and f double dash x is equal to 2. Now for this, f0 is equal to 0 and f dash 0 is equal to, which is greater than 0. Now very clearly f has no positive solutions as the only solutions are 0 and minus 2. Therefore option C is correct. And for option D, that is fx is equal to 0 has no positive solution if f0 is equal to 0 and f dash 0 less than 0, take fx is equal to x square minus 2x. Then f0 is equal to 0 and f dash 0 is equal to minus 2 less than 0. Now very clearly f has a positive solution as the solutions are x is equal to 0 and 2. So we have a positive solution in 2. Therefore option D is again incorrect. Thus option C is the only correct answer.